Guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to connect your 8BITDO Ultimate Controller with your iPhone. It's a very simple process, but I'll make sure to make it more simpler. So first and foremost, make sure your controller is fully charged so that the whole process goes smoothly. So go to your iPhone, click on the settings, go to Bluetooth, and enable the Bluetooth from here. Now go back to your controller, press the home button and turn on your controller. Once your controller is on, hold the pair button for 3 seconds. Now after this, the LED light will appear over here which will start to flash. This will indicate that the controller is now in pairing mode. Go back to your Bluetooth in your iPhone, the device will show over here and simply just click on it. And voila, your iPhone is connected with the controller. Now you can easily play all your games which are compatible with it. So another thing guys, make sure that you have your 8BITDO Ultimate controller which supports Bluetooth, because there are many models which doesn't support Bluetooth. It's a very simple process. You just have to go press the mode switch, then press and hold the pair button for 3 seconds, and just on your iPhone you can easily connect it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you.